Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Durga Audiobooks. In this video, you will learn more about our planet Earth. Our Earth looks from a distance like a great round blue jewel hanging in the darkness of space. It is blue because three quarters of its rocky surface is drowned under blue ocean waters which shimmer in the light of the sun. No other planet has this much water on its surface. Here and there, its rocky surface pokes up above the water to form half a dozen large continents and thousands of smaller islands. The very ends of the world are glistening white, the permanent polar ice caps. The size of the Earth. Modern measurements show the distance round the Earth is 40,024 km at the equator. The Earth's diameter at the equator is 12,758 km, slightly larger than its diameter pole to pole by 43 km. Weight of the Earth. The Earth weighs 6,000 trillion tons. The angle of the Earth. The Earth tilts over at an angle of 23.45 degree inside the Earth. See, in this image you can see the different layers of the Earth. Earth has several different layers because materials it is made of have separated out over billions of years. Dense metals such as iron sank to the center to form the core, while lighter rock forming materials floated to the top to form the crust. Crust. The Earth has a thin shell of solid rock called the crust, which varies from 6 to 11 km under the oceans to 30 to 70 km under the continents. Mantle. Beneath the crust is a layer almost 3000 km deep called the mantle. It is so hot here that the rock often flows like sticky treacle only very slowly. Core. Below the mantle is a core of metal, mostly iron and nickel. Outer core. The outer portion of the core is so ferociously hot that the metal is always molten. Inner core. The Earth's inner core is even hotter up to 7000 degrees Celsius, but the metal here is solid because pressures here are so great that metal simply cannot melt. Facts on Earth. The Earth is a big ball or sphere made mostly of rock. Earth is thought to be about 4,600 million years old. The oldest rocks so far discovered are up to 3,800 years old. We can calculate the age of the Earth by examining meteorites and changes in atomic structure. Eclipses. Every now and then, the Earth and Moon get in between each other and the Sun. This is called an eclipse because the planet in between eclipses or blocks out the Sun. A lunar eclipse is when the Moon goes around behind the Earth into its shadow. A solar eclipse is when the Moon comes in between the Sun and the Earth, casting a shadow a few kilometers wide on the Earth. Here we have the image of lunar eclipse and the solar eclipse. Thanks for